Hello everyone. Today we will see how you can fix your Instagram story music not working. So first of all, you have to go ahead and open the Instagram app. You have to make sure that your app is updated because that might be a reason. But if it's updated and it's still not working, then I'll show you how to fix it. And now let's go ahead and upload a random story. So the first issue could be that the song that you're looking for might just not be available on Instagram. If that's the case, then you cannot fix it unless Instagram adds a song. Another issue could be that you cannot see any songs here. If that's the case, then it could be two things. Either that feature is not available in your region, or there's just a glitch in the app. So if that's the case, I'll show you how you can fix it. So you have to back down from the story section. And then you have to click your profile icon at the bottom right. Then click the three lines on the top right, and then scroll down and find help. And then report a problem. Then you have to go ahead and type out the whole problem. And I'll do so here. And then simply you can go ahead and send the report. And once you've done that, Instagram should fix it in a few days. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.